So it should come as no surprise that Samsung Galaxy Note series have always dominated the Android smartphones market, and after Galaxy Fold, they are one of the most expensive phones out there. To some extent, I believe it's good if Samsung is holding up the expectations by revealing new tech with this lineup, but at the same time, the recent pump in pricing have made them super expensive to even consider switching to newer models. The last flagship phone that the company released was Galaxy S20, and with these handsets they crossed $1,400 or 1 lakh rupees in India. All that pricing strategy made Samsung face criticism and even lost a fair amount of share in smartphones market because of lesser sales. Now with the Galaxy Note 20 series, we were expecting the company to learn a lesson from their own book and be aggressive with Note 20's pricing, precisely the Note 20 Ultra. Because the last time the company revealed a Note phone, everyone who cares about privacy had a thought of switching to iPhone instead, but it looks like Samsung is driving a car with no brakes, and as they already have a hold of opportunity, they're not even considering about pricing that could affect their own growth. According to Tech Maniacs, the Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra could cost 1,249 euros and 1,499 euros respectively. For comparison, Samsung launched Galaxy Note 10 for 999 euros and Note 10 Plus for 1149 euros last year, and also the S20 Ultra was priced at 1399 euros at the time of launch, which undoubtedly shook Android space. I would not convert this price to any other currency on the basis of exchange rates, because honestly there exist a lot of other factors like taxes and all to get a precise idea of what it should cost in specific regions. But because you tapped on this video to know some pricing details in your region, I would suggest that the Galaxy Note 20 and the Ultra model will be priced like this depending on your region, and these prices are based on the information Ice Universe shared on his Twitter handle, and I don't see a massive change in price compared to the previous models. And also what we learned from this report, which comes from a very reliable source, and because the site has some really solid track record, I doubt whom should I believe. It could very well be the case that this difference is because we are not talking about a particular variant. It might be the higher one or the lower one in this case, but whatever it looks like, if this is indeed gonna happen, I would say Samsung is finally understanding the point of being reasonable enough even when they are selling a flagship phone. Additionally, Tech Maniacs also revealed the pricing of Galaxy Fold 2, and what you see on the screen brings an end to the stories believing Samsung would cut the cost down with future foldable phones starting with Galaxy Fold 2. Let's see what happens next, and for daily updates like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace.